Kusu Island, the Island of Legends. Just 5.6 kilometers south of mainland Singapore lies Kusu Island, a small island rich in history, culture, and legend. The name Kusu means Turtle Island in Chinese. According to local folklore, a giant turtle transformed itself into an island to save two shipwrecked sailors, one Malay and one Chinese. In gratitude, the survivors built places of worship on the island, symbolizing harmony between different communities. Originally, Kusu Island was much smaller, covering only a few hectares. During the 1970s, Singapore expanded the island through land reclamation, creating the larger island we see today. For generations, Kusu Island has been an important pilgrimage site. Every year during the 9th lunar month, thousands of devotees travel here to visit the revered DJI Bo Gong Temple and the sacred Malay shrines known as the Keramats, located atop a hill overlooking the sea. These religious sites have made Kusu Island a unique symbol of multicultural faith and unity in Singapore. Today, beyond its spiritual significance, Kusu Island offers peaceful beaches, scenic views, and a glimpse into Singapore's rich heritage. From a legendary turtle's act of compassion to a cherished place of worship, Kusu Island continues to connect the past with the present.